Can a sentence live without action? No running, no eating, no speaking? Then what will happen to the sentence? Today, we are learning one of the most powerful parts of speech, that is verb. Namaste everyone. Welcome back to our parts of speech series. In lesson 1, we learned about noun. In lesson 2, we learned about pronoun. And today, we are learning lesson 3, verb. Do you know? Every sentence usually needs a verb because verbs show action or state. Without verbs, sentences feel incomplete, right? So, what is a verb? A verb is a word that shows action or state. It tells us what someone does or how someone is. Action verbs show what someone does. For example, run, play, sing, write, dance. Rahul runs fast. Here, runs is the verb. Okay? The girls sing songs. Here, sing is the verb. I write neatly. Here, write is the verb. Now, let us understand state verbs carefully. State verbs show condition, feeling, or state. Okay? Here, common state verbs are am, is, are, was, were. These are what? Common state verbs. I am happy. Am shows state. Okay? She is a teacher. Is shows state. They are friends. Are shows state. He was tired. Was shows state. Action verbs show what we do. State verbs show how someone is. Can you make a sentence without a verb? Very difficult because verbs give life to sentences. Okay? Here, the two types of verb. One is action verbs. Its meaning is show action. Okay? Next is state verbs. It means show condition or state. Now, identify the verbs with me. Rahul plays football. In this sentence, the verb is plays. Okay? Number 2, she is kind. What is verb here? Verb is. They are studying. Here, verb is are studying. Next, the baby is sleeping. Here the verb is sleeping. Very good. Now, your turn. Find the verbs. Number 1, I love my family. Number 2, we are happy. Number 3, The boys are playing. Write your answers in the comments. Okay? Why verbs are important? Verbs are very important because they show action or state. Clear? They complete sentences. They improve spoken English. They help us express ideas clearly. Okay? Grammar becomes easy when we learn step by step. Practice daily and your English will improve slowly and confidently. Okay? In the next lesson, we will learn another interesting part of speech. Okay? Till then, keep learning and keep practicing. Okay? Bye bye. Namaste.